To P&P Dinner Factory. My name's Parker.
And I'm Peggy. And today we're gonna make
Chocolate healthy brownies.
woo! So it's dessert factory instead of dinner factory today. So today we're gonna make some brownies, chocolate brownies, but with really healthy ingredients. So we've got some oats here, some dates, some sugar-free syrup, some tahini, and some walnuts and almonds and cocoa powder. That's all you need to make some bomb A brownies.
Let's get to it. This brownie is gonna be different.
It's gonna be different. So first step is we're gonna put these oats in a food processor to get them ground up into like a flour.
I'm supposed to say
Okay, I'm so sorry. So what are you gonna do next?
Well,
all right, put it on and just press. All of it. Is it a flour yet? No, keep going. All right, so that's probably good. You want to just, powdery, so keep it on there. We're gonna add the rest of our ingredients. So put the dates in there. So you got some dates. They're already naturally sweet. And instead of sugar-free syrup, you're more than welcome to use maple syrup. But again, these dates are gonna make you sugary enough. Do not drop the dates. They are expensive.
Day
expensive. Half a cup of tahini.
Okay, those are all.
Hold on, wait. We gotta put all of the ingredients in. Not just one at a time. All right, you gonna put this in there?
What is it?
Tahini. So it's
now
sesame seeds.
Now we're gonna put the tahini in there.
Yummers. Do you know what tahini is normally used for?
What?
Hummus. You like?
What's hummus?
It's like a dip that you dip pita bread. And now we need to put our nuts in there. So we got a half a cup of walnuts.
Can we see swirl, please?
Excuse me? Keep going. All the way. Yes, the whole bag. Meyer conveniently has half cup measured nuts in their baker's oven. All of it, girl. All right, just a half cup of this cocoa
stuff in there. Woo! Lids down.
Lids down. Black cocoa powder. So this is what they use for Oreos to get them really deep dark. You don't necessarily have to use this if you can't find it because they don't normally carry it in a regular grocery store. So you are completely free to use regular cocoa powder. But if you want to be bougie and cool, you can get this dark kind. All right, put that in there. Boom. You still need to put some syrup in there. All right, so 3 little chugs of syrup. All right. We are going to pour half of this out and kind of do the rest in batches. Drop the nut bag.
But there's no nuts. Why are you not?
Shout out to Dylan. Only certain people will get that. But sure. All right, so let's see if we can get that guy there. All right, put this on. Get it.
Are we gonna
Look at that. Keep going. This other batch.
It looks like dirt.
Yes, these are dirt brownies.
Dirt.
You're right. I just got some soil from the backyard. We're tricking our viewers into eating dirt. I'm just joking. You watched me put all of the ingredients in there. You know it's not dirt.
Dirt.
All right, go.
Put this baby on.
Put that baby on. All right. So it should be sticky, icky. And then you'll get like mud. And then you'll get yourself a pan. You can spray it and put some parchment paper in there, but I'm out of parchment paper because we didn't plan ahead like that. So we're just gonna live on the edge and put it in here.
It will stick, it will stick, it will stick, it will stick.
Because it's sticky, icky, icky, icky. Flat A brownie.
I'm getting dirty.
Well, that's part of it. Life is about getting dirty, so we got it flat in here. So we're gonna pop this in the freezer while we make our chocolate frosting. Okay, so we're in the process of making the frosting. So all you need is coconut oil.
And I think we forgot to tell you
syrup.
something. We're gonna
use some syrup
sprinkles.
and that black cocoa powder or regular cocoa powder, whatever.
Cocoa powder.
And that is it. And then Parker wants to top these babies with some rainbow
Sprinkles.
sprinkles.
So I think we forgot to tell you these.
Truly terrible.
Don't stop! Oh, and I forgot to tell you it's season 2 still. And I got my little guy, Waggles, if you forgot his name. I saw slugs and snails before. And we had pet snails.
Alright, melted coconut oil. 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder.
And then
Not
some
tree.
Tree fitted.
No, not tree. 3.
Tree?
No, 3.
Oh, tree.
No.
Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
Let me mix it.
Well, do it faster, please.
What if I get some out of the bowl?
See, you're not doing it in the bottom. You gotta do it in the bottom. And then normally you would just put the sprinkles on top, like a normal human being. All right, so our chocolate frosting is all good to go.
Sprinkle!
With sprinkles, and we are going to put get this baby on there.
And then eat it.
And now we gotta then chill it so that the frosting hardens up. But hold on, wait till we spread it out, girl. Alright, it might be chunky, but you know, it'll all be sprinkle dinkle on top. Alright, hold on, I'm not done yet. Alright, make sure you get all the edges. Cool.
No sprinkles?
Yeah. Can I put some of these other ones on there too? These fancy ones.
Yeah, and I'll get more sprinkle color.
And then you just sprinkle.
And more sprinkles.
So it almost looks like a cosmic brownie, but bougie and healthy. Cool. Okay, that's enough. We gonna sprinkle crazy. All right, that's enough. That's it. Oh no! Anyway, we're gonna pop this in the fridge. It's gotta cool for at least an hour before you cut the refrigerator. And so now it's taste test time. So we will see if Parker will finally like something we made or not. What do you think? Still working on it. Well, what the hell do you think?
There's chocolate, it's a brownie.
What did you think? Give your honest review.
It was chocolate. Thanks for
It was
watching
chocolate.
and subscribe.
These are healthy.